Meet the ECOFORGE True Cordless Electric Screwdriver powered by the interchangeable ECOFORGE E4 Lithium Battery Pack. Compact, lightweight, and features an ergonomic, softly cushioned grip, which ensures maximum comfort during extended use. Built-in ring light banishes shadows from every tight spot. One button, 2-speed transmission. Switch forward and reverse instantly with a single click. 5-position torque adjustment for precise control in various applications. With its pistol grip design, you get smooth, effortless driving in any direction, vertical, horizontal, or anywhere in between. So what can you tackle? Furniture assembly, electronics repair, auto maintenance, home mounting, outdoor gear? This tool is your go-to partner for it all. Our Kickstarter launch is coming soon. Follow the project today and be first in line for limited early bird rewards.